Alison Ray is a popular American adult film actress and content creator, known for her work in the adult entertainment industry. She began her career in 2014 and has since gained recognition for her performance in a variety of genres. Full name: Alison Ray. Date of birth: May 25, 1995. Place of birth: Sacramento, California, USA. Height: 5 feet 4 inches. Profession: adult film actress, model and content creator. Career start: 2014. Career highlights: Alison is celebrated for her versatility and natural performance. She has appeared in productions for major studios and has also embraced the independent content creator movement by producing exclusive content for platforms like OnlyFans. Outside of her professional life, Alison is known for engaging with her fans on social media and sharing snippets of her personal interests such as fitness and travel. Would you like to know more about her career or other details? Thanks. For watching this video, please subscribe only for YouTube channel and follow me only for your Facebook page.